January 7th, and we had a pretty major ice storm here last night where I live. And today everything is covered in ice. All the snow is covered in ice, the sidewalks are covered in ice, the trees are covered in ice, the cars are covered in ice. Everything is covered in ice. And it's beautiful, I'll say, but at the same time it's definitely treacherous to walk on. I've got my spikes on. I've seen some trees that have broken at the top and are hanging on. Everything's covered in ice. Cars are just coated in a couple inches. It's like a big ice dome. On top of everything. Whoa! So there was a temperature inversion over the last 24 hours that meant the rain falling from the sky up higher was turning to ice as soon as it hit the ground, and caused these really unique, beautiful conditions. But for driving and for walking around in, you know, it's just not ideal. So I'm out just in my neighborhood. I decided not even to drive because it's just so dangerous. But even around my neighborhood, you know, there's little trees snapping. Everything's just completely coated in ice. Even as I was standing here, little branches covered in ice were snapping off the tree above me and falling all around me. That's what was leaving all these ice pellets around, was the shattered, ice-covered branches as they fell. So we'll see what happens over the day here. It's raining now. I felt the wind come up. That's kind of interesting because that's when branches start snapping. And maybe worse. So we'll monitor. We'll see how it goes over the next day or so. But for now, it's kind of crazy out here.